Hey family, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to redeem final codes. So friends, first of all, go to the Google and search on the Google id.embark.games. After typing these words, you just need to click on the enter icon. The interface will be look like this. You will be redirected to this website. They are asking you to select your platform. With which platform you want to log in. You can use your Steam account, PlayStation account and Xbox. So I am going to select the Steam account. Enter your sign in details and click on the sign in. Now friends, you are going to receive a authentication code on your email address. So enter that code at here. Now as we can see here, our account has been available at here. We just need to click on the sign in option. Now you have to create a new Embark ID, and if you have already Embark ID then you can link it. But right now I am going to click on the create new ID and wait for a while. Friends, if you are facing any problem then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now they are asking you to enter your date of birth and the email address and click on the continue. So friends, as we can see here, our ID has been opened successfully. And friends, please hit the like button. Here is the option of the redeem gift code. So we have to click on this option and wait for a while. Now you have to enter your gift code at here and then click on the redeem. So friends, for demo, I entered random words and we have to click on the redeem, and that's it. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. Still, if you're facing any problem then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.